I'm Dee Morgan from Calculating Minds. Nobody likes subtracting with zeros, and I'm going to show you an easy way to master that skill. So here we have our math problem, 4,000 minus 245. They were able to get the answer, but this is really difficult for most children to be able to solve. So this is the box method. It involves fewer steps and it's more reasonable for students. So the student will box off all the digits except for the one in the ones column. What's 1 less than 400? It's 399. The student writes 399. The 0 becomes a 10. We've accomplished exactly the same thing we did with the traditional method. The student has changed all of these digits to the same digits. And the student will have exactly the same answer as they did if they had used the traditional regrouping method.